What's going on, everyone? We're here at SEMA, and I'm at the XClutch booth with my friend Stuart, and we're talking about some pretty cool stuff going on over here.
That's it. We're actually just about to release our new warehouse in the Midwest, and we've actually got some new staff on the ground to help with sales and support.
All right, Stuart, talk to me about your new twin disc clutch for your Ford Mustang.
So we've just released for the SEMA show the 2018 GT Mustang. It runs a completely different clutch and flywheel setup to the previous earlier S550. We actually bought a vehicle ourselves, we've pulled it apart, we've played with it, and we've actually test fitted and run the new product ourselves and then brought it here to SEMA to showcase what we're capable of.
And what kind of power will this clutch support?
Depending on the type of friction material you select and how you're using the vehicle, we've got a clutch that's capable of holding up to 1,000 horsepower, and even if you've got more than that, we've got some options further.
And what kinds of options do you guys have on this clutch as far as material and the different things it's made of?
So the primary one that most people would be interested in is the street-going unit, which is going to be an organic. We offer that in a 9-inch and also a 10.5-inch twin. If you are up around the 1,000 horsepower mark, then we also offer a sintered friction material. It's a little bit more aggressive, but still street drivable, but you can also use it on the track and strip wherever else.
You also make these clutches for different applications other than Mustangs, correct?
Yeah, we make clutches for almost any make and model. It doesn't matter whether it is US domestic, import, Japanese, European, we've got a clutch to suit. So we've taken all of our knowledge that we've adapted over the years from all those makes and models and brought it to that 2018 Mustang.
And what do the sizes represent? You talk about 9-inch and 10-inch and 11-inch clutches. Talk to me about that.
The sizes represent the diameter of the friction material, the total outer diameter. Larger clutch is not always better. It depends on how you're using the vehicle and what you're using it for, and how quickly you want to shift.
Stuart, I also heard you guys have a number of new products that you want to showcase here.
That's correct. This year we've displayed 4 brand new products in the New Products Expo. And you know, the first one is the new Hyundai Veloster N. It's something that's about to be released in the US in 2019. We also brought the Honda Civic FC1 with the 1.5 litre turbo, extremely popular over here in a 6-speed. A new clutch that we've also developed over the last 12 months through demand for the Honda Civic Type R. And then also in there we've got our 2018 GT clutch as well.
And what kinds of materials do you guys make the flywheels out of?
We use 4140 chromoly for all of our flywheels. Depending on the type of clutch kit you've got, it'll come with a different weight flywheel and to suit whichever application.
And is the chromoly for strength, is it for weight, or is it for both?
Chromoly provides a good price point. It also provides a good durability, and it's almost limitless in terms of life.
It looks like you guys have a lot of cool clutches for a number of different applications. If somebody wants to purchase one of these or they just want more information, where can they go?
Best that they get in contact with us via our social media, our website, which is XClutchUSA.com, or jump on the internet and Google us, it'll come up.
You heard it straight from him. Stay tuned here at SEMA and Power Automedia for all of your updates.